Starting on the journey of painting can be both exciting and overwhelming for beginners. The first step is to gather basic materials. Every beginner will need a set of brushes, a palette, paints, which could be acrylic, watercolor, or oil depending on preference, canvas or paper, and some basic drawing tools like pencils and erasers. Equipping oneself with these basic materials sets the foundation for learning and experimentation. The next step is understanding and practicing basic techniques. For brush handling, it's essential to practice various strokes, from fine lines to broad ones. This can help in gaining control over the brush. Beginners should also learn about color mixing on the palette, understanding primary, secondary, and tertiary colors, as well as how to create different shades and tones. Another fundamental skill is sketching. Before starting a painting, sketching the basic outline of the subject can be very helpful. It allows the artist to plan composition and proportions accurately before applying paint. Additionally, learning about light and shadows can significantly enhance the realism in paintings. Studying how light affects objects and practicing shading techniques can bring a sense of depth to the artwork. Beginner painters should also learn about perspective. One-point and two-point perspectives are the basics that can add a three-dimensional effect to the paintings. This knowledge helps in making the artwork appear more lifelike and dynamic. Lastly, practice is key. Regularly setting aside time to paint can lead to continual improvement. Even simple daily sketches can enhance an artist's skills over time. Joining a painting class or community can provide valuable feedback and inspiration. Embracing mistakes as learning opportunities will make the journey enjoyable and fruitful. By gathering the right materials, practicing fundamental techniques, and sketching regularly, beginners can build a strong foundation in painting that will enable them to explore their creativity fully.